Big hello from Singapore, Jurong Point. I'm at the Malaysia Boleh food court. We serve the street food Malaysia, so let's check it out. Today is a weekday about 7 p.m. Starting our tour from the chicken rice, seafood, bawang, 3盖 best scrambled egg rice, and the garlic meat as well. Wow, lots of pork colored chicken. Well, with the herbal soup right here. I'm actually trying to take out extract the soup from that big container. Salted chicken rice and the congee. Roasted meat. It's a 9.5加的单豆 tea rice specialties. 像这种哈卡粉，这个 chicken rice。辣椒板面，当你加一样配合。Look at it steaming good. 4块半。I would say they upgraded this place quite a lot. Let's check the drinks and dessert. Penang Road famous chendol and the Eco white coffee. So overall it looks like a real food court now, but back professional food court. And guess what they sell some of the top those like biscuits here. For $3. These $2. 油蘸猪腩。两个。It's taken over there. This Boleh like Malaysia Boleh food street reopened in February 2022, but this is now it's only January reopening, and I just find that it's like more atas now. It's more professional and more clean looking because all the food stores are just arranged in one row or two rows, and right here with the servant teammate Shu Bao. Anyway, thanks for watching this little video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to there's one kopitiam, at the level 3 Jurong Point. It's not too far from here, so you can check it out. Let's go.